Hello and good afternoon, everyone. It is Saturday. It is the Saturday between Easter, Good Friday, and Easter Sunday. And yeah, we were just minding our own business, and this huge parcel just arrived. I've covered my address up there, but I mean, you can see how big it is. It's not that heavy, but it's well wrapped. So we are going to unbox it, which is always difficult one-handed, but let's see what we can do. Been wrapped up very well. What on earth could it be? So that's a bit of padding. That looks like a bit more padding. Now that is an exciting looking box. Out of the way, dog. But dog wants to be involved. So that would normally seal up there, but let's have a look. See what's inside. Can anyone guess yet? Ah! I recognise the black and green, black and red. Scream Factory. Scream Factory, we'll have a look at those in a minute. Now those are cool. Scream Factory face masks. And what we got here at the bottom? We have got our Scream Factory VIP upgrade. So for those who don't know, people who carried their tickets forward from last year were getting a VIP upgrade. There's a new VIP area at Scream Factory this year, and there is a new VIP bar. So let's have a look at one of these, shall we? Tied up very beautifully. Ooh. It's a shame to open it. So we have a fantastic Scream Factory logo t-shirt. So there we go. We've got 2 t-shirts, 2 masks, and 2 VIP upgrade tickets. So thank you ever so much to everyone. Just make sure I haven't missed anything. I'm not being greedy, but just make sure I haven't missed anything. No. Thank you to everyone at Scream Factory. We can't wait to come back again. It was last February for Valentine's, just before lockdown and everything was the last time we went. So yeah, we look forward to seeing you at Halloween. Thank you for the presents, and we will see you in October.